Alright guys, good morning, good morning. My Elk River neighborhood. It's a mess. As you can see, all the garbage cans, in fact most if not all, are all over the place. We've had crazy winds. If you can see, look at the mess. Like, I'm not kidding. Look at that. Look at the neighbors. Look at everything. You could think some of the neighbors have come and picked up their stuff, but some people, they put their garbage out and they are going to work, so they are guaranteed that their stuff will be okay. But boy oh boy, when I passed earlier, all this were down, so most of these neighbors have picked up their stuff back up again, but as you can see, we still have some down. That's how ugly the winds have been. Like, it's a mess. You will be sitting in your home, look at this, everything is down. It's gonna be a filthy, dirty neighborhood today. It is not fun. Look what we have. Look, it is a mess. It wasn't the best day to have garbage being picked up here. Oh my good lord, look at that. And this is just a small portion of my neighborhood. I don't know what's going on in other areas. Some people woke up early, put their garbages by the driveway, and then they went to work. I'm sure by the time they come home, look at what we are looking at. Look at that. Look at the mess. Imagine, you're going to work, and by the time you come home, your garbage is in the neighbor's yard. Unbelievable. Wow. Wow. Some cans were totally emptied out. Especially the recyclings that we usually don't bag. They are everywhere. So you can see, they are everywhere. That's how ugly the winds were this morning. Like, they go and come. Once they are here, they hit for like 5 minutes and then it remains calm, like nothing has been going on. But as you can see, it is not good. Oh my god, look at that. This is all my neighborhood, literally just a small portion of my neighborhood. As you can see, look that side. Look that side. Everything is. Look at this. Look at this. I had to pull my. I had to pull mine back inside since I am home. I had to pull mine inside so that it doesn't go flying too. But yeah, that has been the case. I just took a little drive in the neighborhood to see how things are, and mind you, that is the mess we're dealing with in Elk River here. So I don't know how they're going to clean it up. I don't know who's going to know which is which. But boy, if you live in Elk River around the Spectrum Fields, watch out for your garbage, because it will be flying around the neighborhood. Some people's wigs, if you're walking out, make sure you have a hat on to hold them on tight. Alright my people, that's just a quick update I had to give you this morning. Have a nice day. Clean up your yards, because they are waiting for you. Bye now.